She's a bit shy. Her last name is Kazes. I think people took the word kitchen very seriously. Our second workshop, I said, well, how about if we have a potluck in the next time, and where everybody brings some baking goods, and it can be store-bought if you don't bake. It went a little further than that because we're doing potlucks every weekend and everybody's baking, bringing wonderful, really wonderful things, and we're trading recipes, and that's how this community is really gathering together. It's just through the art and food.
Just a bunch of strangers who like to make things, like eating and making things. It's pretty awesome.
A través de la comida uno se conoce y hay comunicación. Aquí traigo mi comida y conóceme de dónde yo vengo.
And we all learned together, and we had two great teachers, a mother and daughter team that are amazing. I feel really excited about the outcome of our first movie. I think we're about to say, put it in the can because we're just about done.
We had everything planned, but we didn't know what to expect. We didn't know what level of experience everybody had. We didn't know what level of commitment people had. And then on the third week, we realized that people were very committed and they were coming every weekend. And we were already on a flow. We were acting like a team. We were acting like everybody was working together and everybody was in sync and they knew what to do.
The big challenge was really the very little time. What we've done here, it's really something that people take a year to produce in regular films, especially stop motion. It's hard label just right there to create every single thing. The set is done beautifully, and we're just really impressed with everything that we've done so far.
I'm very excited about it. Seeing how everything plays out, it's a very interesting process making it. So I want to thank everyone for being very nice and helping us out with everything.
I enjoyed this place so much. The people that I work with, they're so special. I've learned so much from them, sharing our experiences, talking about our lives, that I'm gonna miss that.
This is actually my first time ever being part of a project like this, or a movie or of any kind. I've always wanted to make a stop motion animation, so my friend who works at Vizcaya heard that this was happening, and because she knew that this is something that I've always really wanted to do but always felt like I didn't have access to it, she referred me to come here. It's been super cool. Human beings in general, we're always seeking community.
There was a lot of flexibility for creation and getting back to kind of like that childlike adventure when you're just creating and having fun.
I think people have surprised themselves with what they're actually innately good at.
I made purple macaroons.
The one thing I learned, which is something I haven't done in a long time, is just to try new things.
Teamwork makes the dream work. I know it sounds very cheesy, but I would have never been able to build this in the short amount of time that we did if I was working alone, or there were inputs and ideas put in place of things that I could have never imagined by myself.
I would love for the audience to feel the sense of joy that we have felt throughout building this workshop.